Welcome to TAPOSHI education tutorial. In this chapter, we discuss about the concept about the kinetic theory of matter. Class 8 and 9 student, those who are read in CBSE and ICSE board, for this student, we discuss here in this chapter, we will study about the kinetic theory of matter. According to this theory, the tiny particles in matter are always in motion, right? And the three states of matter, solid, liquid and gas, are based on the energy the possess. Okay, the concept about the kinetic theory of matter. We cannot see atom and molecules even with the help of microscope. Okay, so it has been proved that molecules of the matter are in a continuous state of motion. Okay, student, this can be explained from a few examples. Here such examples are, suppose you take some water in a beaker and few drop of blue ink into it. You will observe that the blue ink particles gradually move into the water and the entire water turns blue. This mixture due to the motion of particles. Another example, you ever seen the fragrance of an incense sticks burning in one corner of a room spread through the entire room after some time, and you get smell? A sugar cube put in water quickly dissolve and disappear. All of these examples show that the particles are continuous motion in matter. So kinetic theory of matter given in around 1860. This most widely accepted theory about the motion of particles in matter. The kinetic theory of matter states the following points. Here, all matter basically made up of tiny particles is called atoms and molecules. Number 2 points. Here, the tiny particles of matter are always in a continuous state of motion and possess kinetic energy due to their motion. Number 3 points. Here we discuss the kinetic energy of molecules increases with the in temperature and decreases with the decrease in temperature. It is directly proportional to the motion of the molecules in a matter. Number 4 point. Here there is a force of attraction between the molecules of matter. This force known as intermolecular force of attraction and is responsible for binding the molecules of matter together. Now the last point, not last, it is 5 point. Here we discuss there are empty spaces between the molecules of matter. These are known as intermolecular space. Number 6 point, the kinetic theory of matter tells us If the intermolecular pace is less, then the intermolecular force is more between the particles, and if the intermolecular pace is more, then the intermolecular force is less between the particles. So student, in this chapter we discussed about the kinetic theory of matter. Okay, so this chapter to be continue, so please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friend. Okay, I think you understood this chapter. Part 3 I will come with this chapter, part number 4. Thank you for watching.